Hey everybody, welcome. We're staying here at Disney's Old Key West Resort. We have a 2-bedroom villa and I can't wait to show it to you, so let's go. It's room 6230. We're on the 3rd floor. Nice aqua door. Alright, you walk in and immediately to the right you have a closet with Mike's backpack, vacuums, hangers, pretty good storage space. Alright. Save this for later. We walk into the left here. Oh my gosh, this room's huge. Some artwork. We have the laundry room. It is very dark. Very, very dark. We have a washer and dryer, laundry basket, ironing board and iron in here. It's where your broom, all of your cleaning supplies are. Continue on to the king size room. Oh, here's the bathroom. Check out this tub. It's Mickey and Minnie kind of lounging and opening into the actual master bedroom. That's cool. Huge sink. Very beachy vibes in here. It's a big closet. Lots of room to hang things, store stuff. Completely empty. Lots of extra blankets and pillows. Huge, huge bathroom in here. You walk on in. Oh, the bathroom just keeps going. You have your toilet and your towels and a nice big walk-in shower. There H2O products, nice shelf for your stuff, beautiful shower head. Just one sink, but lots of counter space, lots of storage space underneath. Toilet paper, hair dryer. Me. All right, head on back out. Check out the room itself. Huge. Lots of lamps, huge lamps. This nice little chair with an ottoman, looks super comfy. That doesn't pop out. All right, we have another bench here. Drawers open, some space. Nice big bed. Your TV. A dresser with 3 nice drawers. Windows, beautiful windows. This room opens out to this lovely porch. Look at the view from here. Look at this. You know we love a water view. This is heavenly. This table setting for 4 here. Leads back into the common area. We'll head back into there next. All right, heading back through. Hi, that's me. All right, let's veer to the right and check out this bedroom. We have sitting area, 2 chairs and a table, the lamp. Oh, cute Castaway Key looking stuff, but I guess it's Key West because you know we're at Old Key West. 2 queen beds. Beautiful view of the window. Closet over here. You also have your nightstand with 2 drawers. Holy crap. You scared me. My niece, she might not come with your room, but for the right price, we might be able to work out a situation. Oh, Maddie. All right, and this is this bathroom. You have a nice little sink, which is separate from the toilet shower area. Go. Storage on either side, and underneath you have more storage. That's nice. Behind you, huzzah! More storage. Lots of storage in here. DVC members stay for a while. Oh, and inside you have a separate sink. I love this. This is a great thing. People can shower and get ready, and people can get ready in the other room, and everybody has a sink. That's nice. Great feature. Your mirror, you know, toilet, artwork. Ooh, huge shower head. Nice. Nice little lip to put your legs up when you're shaving. Cool. Storage for shampoo bottles, your H2O products, towel racks. All right, back out to the main area.
Wow.
We have, oh, another huge chair and an ottoman. It's like a chair and a half. Maddie's followed us back. She's on the couch. There's a love seat, huge table in the corner. Nice little coffee table. Oh, that's where your TV is. Very cool. Huge kitchen. And I like this double island with a lip. Outlets here. Even USB ports. A double sink. Fancy. That's fancy. Cabinet space. More cabinet space, thing for punch, cheese grater, mixing bowls, knives, empty, oh, paper towels, and all your cleaning stuff, trash and recycling bins, keeping on down, coffee pot, dishwasher. Oh, this is a huge cabinet. All your glasses. This is what I'm talking about. Different size glasses, wine glasses, coffee mugs, teeny glasses, Pyrex and plates and bowls, and oh, huge like pasta serving dishes. Like they're expecting your whole family to come stay here for sure. They are set up for family style. Coffee accoutrements, 2 bread toaster. Oh, more. Pyrex, measuring cup, colander. This is your silverware, I assume. Yep. Corkscrews. Pots and pans. There's your oven and your stove. I don't think there's anything above here. No. Over here, more storage space. Oh, here, your cooking utensils. Oh, sheet pans, cutting board, your fridge, more storage space. Come over here, you guessed it, more storage space. You have an ice bucket. Look, all the things you could stay. You could stay here for forever. Look at all the storage space. You could set yourself up quite a pantry in here. You have a 4-seat kitchen area here, and here is your second entry to this grand patio. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. For those of you wondering, Donovan's going to do a bed test, so.
Wait a second.
How was it that time?
God!
How about that time? Good. And that's it. That's our 2-bedroom villa. We have a lot of the family here. We're excited to stay here. We love this resort. We love the access to the Sassagoula River and the boats, and we're just super excited to be here. It's very bright. It's a very hot day. Thank you so much for coming along for the tour. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.